Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel SAFA Educational Activities. SAFA Educational Activities presents opposite word quiz. Students, today we will solve some questions of opposite words. Opposite word of small, short, call, big. Your time start now. Right answer is big. Opposite word of cold, told, coat, hot. Your time start now. Hot. Right answer is hot. Opposite word of right, wrong, child, yes. Your time start now. Right answer is wrong. Opposite word of fat, hat, thin, fat. Your time start now. Right answer is thin. Opposite word of sad, happy, had, sad. Your time start now. Right answer is happy.